What kind of discount can I get if I pay in cash? If I pay more, will you put me in front of your other customers? If I write you a check, will you hold it to next month? These are all questions I get as a woodworker, as a small business. There's an old saying that the customer is always right. Sad thing about that, the customer will take advantage of you every chance they get. Not all of them, but some of them will. Now, I have no problem helping out a customer when I can, but I have a big problem getting taken advantage of.
There's a way to answer these questions that gets your point across without running your business down. To answer what kind of discount can I get if I pay cash, simply say none. Show your customer the quote. Show them the price of materials, the price of supplies, your sandpaper, your glue, your stain, your finish, everything that goes into their project, and show them their labor. Then your customer will see not all the money goes in your pocket. You have expenses as well. That'll help. For the question, if I pay more, will you push me ahead of your other customers? I found that simple no is the best answer. Many times I want to answer this question more sternly, but kindness is the best way. Just simply explain to them that every customer is important to your business and to you and will be treated fairly. If your work is worth the trouble, they will wait. If I pay with a check, will you hold it to next month? Is my most dreaded question. I understand things come up, but I've personally had customers pay with a check knowing they couldn't cover it. Did you know that if you wrote a check and you go to the bank to cash it, deposit it, and it's cold, you were the one responsible for all the fees, not the person who wrote the check? I learned that on my first check. I accept. Now, I answer that question by stating I'll hold on to the product till you can pay. I also make sure I take a deposit for, it's usually just cost of material, but that way I'm not out nothing while I'm waiting. This is a business. It's the harsh reality. We have fees, we have expenses that we have to cover. So, but if your work is worth it, you'll have people willing to cover their own issues so they can pay you for your work. You'll have people willing to wait for your work. You could have people still want a discount, but if it's worth it, if your work is really worth it, they're willing to pay that little extra. Keep doing good work. You build your reputation by being good to your customers. You build your reputation with kindness towards your customers. If you like this video, I ask that you subscribe, give me a like. If there's any questions that I missed or any kind of information you want to add to it, please put it in the comments. I'd love to read it, love to see how everything's going for you and your customers. Now, I gotta get back to work.